Hello, are you losing your valuable conversion data due to iOS update or ad blocker? You are running a WooCommerce store. You need a more reliable solution. My name is Tufajjal Hussain. Today I will guide you through the complete process of WooCommerce server-side tracking. We will cover everything from GTM step to server configuration so you can start like a pro. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to be a master of web analytics. So first of all, you have to already the tag manager, so it's not so difficult. So you have to come Google Tag Manager and you need step.io. This is our server. We are connecting our server into step.io. So how is the process? I have a one doc file. We for easy purpose, so I'm creating this doc. It's shortcut. The doc will help me to set up a server site for easy. So first of all, you have to come into step.io. If you search on Google step.io, oh yeah, it's okay. So first of all, you have to create your account in step.io. So if I have already account, so that's why I'm not showing you how to sign up. I think you know that how to create this. If you don't know, you can search on YouTube and easily find a video. You can create it. So I'm going to log in. This is the backend. This is the step.io, and I'm going to create a GTM container. So what's the container? Container means server side. I know you don't understand if I say so. Don't worry. Create your container. Look, and write the business name. That means this is the container. Okay, this is the GTM container. If I press the container, you have to container name. Container means what's your business name? My business name is this Daily Home Picks USA. I'm copy this one and paste. And what's the container configuration? If you don't know container configuration, so back on GTM in Google Tag Manager, and look, this is our browser site setup. So this video I'm going to show you how to set up your server site. So create your server site container. Go to admin. Okay, and you can see this is container section, and press the plus option. This one and this one is same. So if I press anyone and press this and name, let's see, okay, server site. Server, Daily Home Picks USA server. So which one do you want to select? We are going to select the server because this is a server site, so that's why I'm select the server site and press the create option. And look, our server container is created. This one is server side and this one is browser side. So we need container configuration. So how can we find container configuration code? So come to the server side container and look this code and press the code, and you can see automatically previous tagging server side. We are going to select this one, manually providing tag server. So this is the your container config is. So copy this one and paste into here, and select your region. If I select the Singapore, this server is good, and yeah, the most of the people are select this one. So this one is the good, and press the create container. So look, this is a free plan because I'm not buy a plan. So if you face this problem, then select this free and press the continue with free plan. Then see, it's okay, it's and gone. So the next we are already create and verify business mail, pass the container configuration, server side container, server location from container, and yeah, it's all is okay. And add URL, copy the domain link and paste into admin container setting. So you need this domain name. So copy this one and go to your Google Tag Manager. And you have to go to admin. Yeah, this is the admin, and go to container setting and look the add URL, paste this one, add URL, and paste this put this domain. This domain is this domain. You copy this one and paste into here. So when it's okay, the setup configuration server, save, press the save option. Yeah, it's okay and done. Workspace is okay. So what's the next? So we are connecting the tag manager into our website, and then create a step.io and connect the step.io, that means server, and we are connect the Google Tag Manager into this server side. We are connect this tag manager and server side connecting. Okay, when you finish this, and we have to go our tag manager and see, we are going to set up page view event. So what's the process? So go to new Google Analytics, this one. You have to go Google Tag Manager, and this is our server side. This is our server container. So you have to go browser container. This is my browser container. So select this one. So this is my browser container, and paste the text, and press the new, and press tag configuration and select Google Analytics and Google Tag. I think Google Tag, yeah. see Google tag notation for a Google tag and random code. Okay, so this one Google tag, and paste tag ID. For if you have a tag ID, then you can paste it. If you don't have, then you can paste this code. It's not important. You can paste a random code, it's not problem. Okay, so what's the next? They are when you paste the random code, configuration setting, so you have to go configuration setting, Jasmine configuration setting, paste in, and add parameter, I think. Okay, we need some variables. So these are variables FBC and FBP. So we have to create this. So how to create FBP variables? So you have to go variable setting. Where is this? And this is the setting, and we are selecting this, and go to tag manager and select all page. Okay, all is done. Oh, sorry guys, forget the create the variables, so that's why I'm back and create the variables, and I'm come back again. So press the save. So what's the name? Save this name as FB page view, means server side Facebook view page content, and press the save. And I'm going to create a variables. So when you press the save option, and you have to go variables option. Okay, value is empty, so this and is cut, and press save. It's okay. So create, we need some variables. I forget to create, so let's start and press the new, and here, and first party cookies, and FBP, and paste in here, and FBP. Okay, I already have, so that's why I'm copy this one and paste into here. First party cookie, FBP, and save, and press again new, and variable configuration, and again first party cookie, and this one is FBC. This is FBC. Copy this one and paste in here, and rename first party cookie FBC. Okay, and press the save. So we need another variable, this time, for time show, event time, custom JavaScript variable. So this is custom. Okay, so you have to go here and press new, and I'm going to create a variable. That one is custom. So which custom? Yeah, this is the custom JavaScript. Select this one and paste this code in here, and rename this one into event time ID. DLB event time ID. Okay, DLB event time ID, and press save. And okay, we need another user defined variable with community templates. Oh yeah, we need event ID, so we have to search and go to here and press new. We need event ID, and you cannot find event ID in here because when you are first create this server ID or browser container, you cannot see this event ID in here because we need to install this. So when you don't find it, you have to go this one, template gallery. Press template gallery and search into here in event ID. This one is event ID. So when you see this one, choose this template. So I already have, so that's why I'm not choosing this one. You know, I already have this is event ID, so I don't need to install it. If you don't have, so you can install it into this process. So this is the process, and again I'm back on my tag server side, Facebook view content, page view content. Where is this one? Select this one and go to edit option, and we need configuration setting and add parameter. I think how many parameters I need, check it. 1 2 3. Okay, I need 3 parameters. Oh no, 3, not 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, we need 6 parameters. Okay, this one is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so copy this send page view and paste into here, and this one is true and this one is in here. Okay, server container URL, paste this server container URL in this here, and we need custom domain ID. So if you come this server and look, this is our domain, so copy this one and paste in here. This is server container URL. So next is FBP and FBC. Copy in here. For shortcut, I'm going to paste this in here. Event time. Okay, event time. Next, first party cookie collection. First regulation. We need another for event ID. I think true. Share event setting and event ID. Okay, this one is next. So we need FBP. I'm already create a variable, so I'm selected in this one. I have to find this. So when you press the second bracket, and you can see the all variable are here. So we need FBP. Search FBP. Yeah, this is first party cookie FBP, and again you press the second bracket, FBC. sorry, FBC. First party cookie FBC. So we need event time. Event time. Again, press the second bracket and event time. Event DLB event ID. I forget event time. What's the name? DLB event. DLB event ID. Okay. This is the event ID, DLB event ID. And first party cookie, write true. This is the correct spelling. TRUE, true. Paste in here. So this is, we need this I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this 7 parameter. We need 7 parameter when you set up this. And next is we have to share setting, and we need another parameter. You know why? Because event parameter, this is, look, the name is event parameter. So I'm going to set up the event ID. So event ID, this is event ID, and paste in here and choose the event ID. If I press the second bracket, event ID, sorry guys, event ID. Yeah, this is event. This is wrong. DLB event ID is not DLB. So select the event, that means event ID. The all is okay. And triggering is all page view, all pages. So the all is okay. And name server side FB view, page view, contain. So save, press the save. Yeah, successfully create our server side page view container. Page view event is complete. So next is view content, view item event. This is view item event. So the next process, you have to create tag. No, we need, first of all, we need event parameter. We have to create this all event parameters. So I'm going to event parameter. Okay, press the variable and go to new, and first of all I need event ID. I'm already created this event ID, so I don't need. So next is FBC. We already have, and first party cookie collection is true. Okay, this is I think if you write this on your hand, TRUE, this will be take time. So that's why, for shortcut purpose, I'm going to create a, look how to create this. Okay, place this on, and you can find a constant mean for easy. So choose this constant and paste in here. Password collection, we need TRU, paste in here, true. first party collection true. Okay, it's constant. Save in here. Oh, sorry, we don't need to copy this one, so that's why create the variable. So next is product group. Yeah, we can create this product group. We have to create again constant variable. So the process is press the new and go to and choose the constant. Yeah, this is constant, and paste product group. This is product group. Paste here and write your name, basic content type. Constant, no? CST in constant content type. Okay, and press okay, save. And next is every content name, content ID, and value. I think I already have these variables, value, e-commerce, currency. Yeah, I already created. When I'm set up the browser site setup, I already showed you how to create this all variables, so I don't need to create again. Okay, so all variables are complete. So we need to create a trigger. This one is trigger. I need view content trigger, view item trigger, and view content trigger is same, so it's already created, so we don't need to create again. So go to tag, okay, and press new and tag configuration, and go to Google Analytics and press Google Analytics GA4 event. Okay, this one is measurement ID, so you can write anything for a random, it's not important. So if I go there and random code for G1234, it's a random code. If I already have my code, this is my code. So if you don't have, you can write this G1234, anything you want. So paste this my code and event name. Event name is view content. This is view item, and paste in here. Event name is view item. It's the most and important. So if you mistake any spell, then your event will not fire. So be careful. All is okay. So select the, I think I need some parameters. Event parameter. How many parameter I need? Okay, I check it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I need 9 parameters. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and I need, first of all, I need event ID. Copy this event ID, and next is FBP, and next is FBC, first party collection, and content type. Okay, and content name. This is content ID, So what's the next? Next is value. Value mean price, product price. Yeah, value. And last one is currency. What's your currency? They are tracked. Okay, I need event ID, FBP, FBC. We are already have. So first of all, select the event ID. If I go there and find event ID, look, I already have event mean event ID. So select this event, and this is event. FBP, we need FBP. Second, press the second bracket and press FBP. FBP, look, this is FBP, and second is second bracket and FBC. And choose this FBC. First party collection is true. If you don't create, then you can write. I already create, so type this constant content type. First party collection true. Okay, it's mistake. True. Collection COL. First party collection. So select this first party collection because I forget to change this name. So the next is type. Select second bracket and type TYP. Constant type. Next is content name and content ID. Okay, second bracket and name. DLB content name, and we need DLB content ID. Okay, ID, yes. DLB content ID. Okay, we need value. DLB value, and last one is currency. Okay, we need DLB currency or eCommerce currency. I need DLB currency. So I'm confused. DLB currency, yeah. I need DLB currency. Okay, so when you are create your purchase event or begin checkout, so that's the time you have to choose this eCommerce currency. So this is not purchase event, so I'm choose the DLB currency. Okay, all is okay or not, I'm checking. So it's so secure, so if you make single mistake, that will the event will be not fired, so be careful. So check it, event ID, FBP, FBC. Okay, I check it, the all are okay. So I'm going to triggering my trigger. So press in here. I already have view content trigger, so that's why I'm not create again. So I'm choose the older view item trigger. So I'm choose the view item trigger, this one. Okay, the all is okay. View item trigger, view item, and already create. Copy this name. I need. Okay, and the wall is okay, and change right name. Copy server side FBGA for view content event. Okay, the wall is okay, and press the save option. Yeah, you successfully create your view content event. So next is I think add to cart event. So you know what add to cart event if I want to create add to cart, how many requirement mean variables. So look, event ID, FBP, FBC, first party cookie collection. Yeah, I already created, so not create again. FB type, content name, content ID, value, currency. The all thing is same to same. So that's why I'm going to copy and change some single word, so that will be okay. So go to your server side, view content. So I'm going to enter this one and copy. Okay, press the three dot. You can find out your three dot into right corner, above right corner. Press three dot and paste. Click copy. And look, the copy ABP view content that is copied. So I'm going to change this name into add to cart event. This one is my name. If you look, I already write and create a doc for shortcut. So if I write again ABP ABC and write this all thing, my video length will be bigger, and so it's take so much time. So that's why for shortcut and easy purpose, I all name and all thing is write down in this doc file. So copy and paste add to cart. So press in here, the all thing is same, you don't need to change. So you have to change event name into add to cart. Okay, first of all I collect add to cart. So carefully, you don't mistake any spelling, and paste add to cart. Okay, all is okay, and our parameter and view content parameter is same, so that's why I'm copied this one. And next is triggering, view item trigger. We have to delete view trigger and choose add to cart trigger. Choose add to cart trigger. Okay, the all trigger already created when I'm set up the browser side setup. So if you don't see the browser how to set up browser side, yeah, I'm already created browser side how to set up my browser side setup, browser side event and browser side all thing in. You can find my YouTube channel. Okay, so you must have to watch it. So okay, when I'm choose the add to cart trigger, okay, all is okay, add to cart event, and press save. Our work is 90% complete. So next we are copy and change and save, copy and change and save. This is the process. So next is begin checkout. Look, parameter is same, event ID, FBP, FBC, first party collection, content type, name, ID, value, currency, the all is same. So we don't need to create anything. So I'll go to add to cart event, add to cart event, server side, yeah, this is server side add to cart, and copy this one, and again press three dot and press copy, and change this name into begin checkout and begin checkout. Yeah, you have to change again event name into begin checkout. Yeah, our work is complete, and you have to change trigger phase and delete and choose the begin checkout. Every begin checkout trigger, choose this one. Okay, and press the save. Okay, next is the final one is purchase. Okay, purchase event is sometimes it's difficult, so it's not difficult. If you do your absolute best, it will be easy. Okay, so don't be afraid, and let's start it to create purchase event. So first of all, we need some variables, because if you want to set up purchase event, the purchase event required more variables. Oh, look, a huge variable. So we are already create event ID, FBP, FBC, and currency. This all parameters we already have, so I don't need, and we don't need to create again. So we just create this variable. So let's start. We need email ID, DLB email ID. So why we need email ID, phone number, first name, last name. So purchase is important to first name. If you don't find your customer name, customer country, customer city, customer address, so how do you track? So this is, you have to must require this all parameters. So create this one, go to variables, and we are creating DLB. Press new value and search DLB, data layer variable. Data layer variable. And first of all, I need okay, email ID. I need email, DLB email. Copy this on DLB email. Which one? Okay, this is name, and this is our data layer variable name. Don't mistake. Okay, so paste in here and press save. Next is phone number. So again the same process, press new and find data layer variable and paste, and DLB phone. These are name. Okay, DLB phone. So press save, and next is first name. Press new variable configuration, data layer variable, and name, and DLB first name and first name. Okay, press save. Next is billing last name. Press new variable configuration, data layer variable, and paste here, and DLB name. Okay, the DLB name, and press save. So this is the process. I'm going to create all variables. Country, and DLB country, Okay, press save. Next is city, customer city. The data layer variable, paste city, and DLB city. DLB means data layer variable, and city, so you know you already have city. Press save. And next is postal code. Press new variable configuration, data layer variable, and billing postal code, and copy this postal code and paste in here and press save. The next is transaction ID. So you must have to create this transaction ID, data layer variable, and paste transaction ID, okay, press the save. Shipping, this is optional. Okay, if you create this fourth variable, that will be help you to score, you know. Yeah, I'm going to show you the score. What is score? So if you set up this fourth, your score will be increase. So I'm going to create that order data. If you not create, it's not effect on your event. Data layer variable and shipping, okay, paste the save, and order data, eCommerce track, text, data layer variable, paste eCommerce text and DLB text. Okay, DLB text is complete. Next is coupon. We don't need affiliation. If you create affiliate, that will be more better. Okay, I'm going to select data layer variable, paste coupon and DLB coupon. Okay, DLB coupon, it's perfect. Press the save. So this is the process. Look, huge variables. So it's complete. We don't need any more event. So I'm going to copy. Look, this is we need this requirement parameters. So we already created this whole thing. You know, I already have this. So go to tag and copy your begin checkout, begin checkout. So and copy this one, press the 3 dot and press copy and change your name into purchase. Okay, this is our purchase event. So you know, I already event name, you have to change event name into purchase. So this is spelling, purchase spelling. This is purchase, and this is and purchase, analytic, measurement ID. Okay, this is event parameter option. How many parameter we need? Parameter. I'm going to count. I already have this. So one thing is so important. I have to change this content name and content ID into this. This is CJS, mean custom JavaScript for multiple product name. So if you want to set up your like a purchase or begin checkout, it's not single product. The begin checkout, you can choose a multiple product and press purchase. So if you don't set up your CG as multiple product ID, you cannot find your all product ID tag and etc. I don't know how to say this, so sorry for that. I need to change content name, content ID, content name and content ID. So this one is, you can see content name, content ID is it's not. I have to change this. We need multiple content name and multiple contact ID. If I say CJS, look, this is multiple product ID. So product name and this one is ID. CJS product ID. Okay, and I think the whole thing is same. Value, eCommerce value, DLV currency. Okay. Value, we have to change value because it's a DLV value. I need eCommerce value. I said already. Yeah, this one. This one is eCommerce value, so I need this one. Okay, and they all are same. So next I need those 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We need 7 more parameter. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So copy this email address and paste. Next is phone number. And next is first name. Okay, paste your first name. Next is last name, and last name. Data address, mean country. Okay, this is country and this is city. And last one is postal code. Okay. I don't postal code we already have. Shipping, tax, coupon, DLB commerce item. Okay, we need more. Okay, it's painful. Transaction ID. Copy this transaction ID and add parameter. Transaction ID and it's shipping. And next is tax. Affiliation I don't need, only coupon. If you have e-commerce website, so if you start your affiliation journey, then you must need to create your affiliation tag. So it's not my affiliation program, so that's why I cannot create it. So even items, DLV commerce item, I don't need. I already have this one. So this is the setup, and I have to choose this whole thing. Address, data email address, If I press the second bracket and search email, DLB email, next is number, sorry, number, order data, phone number, DLB, okay, DLB phone, and this is name, okay, first name, this DLB first name and last name, this is last name, and country, DLB country, and city, this is DLB city, postal code, this is postal code, and transaction ID. This one is e-commerce transaction ID or transaction ID. I think I need e-commerce transaction ID. Is purchase tag, DLB coupon, transaction ID, DLB transaction ID. I think I have to choose e-commerce transaction ID, but their doc say that DLB transaction ID. So I'm forget this thing. So I'm choose the DLB transaction ID. Next is shipping. Coupon shipping. Something was mistake. I think the wall is DLB, not e-commerce. Okay, if I go browser site event and check the purchase, transaction ID, where is transaction ID? Okay, I have to go purchase event. This is the purchase. This is transaction ID. Okay, I'm back. So text, shipping, he will set up the e-commerce shipping, and text is text second bracket and and choose the DLB tags, okay, not eCommerce tags. And coupon, you choose DLB coupon, yeah, DLB coupon. Okay, all parameters are created, so I'm triggering, come back to triggering, and delete this one and choose purchase event, purchase. This is purchase trigger. Choose the purchase trigger. So when you choose the purchase, and our work is complete, so save, press save. Okay, congratulations, you successfully set up your all container. So we have a small work, so when complete, the whole thing will be perfect. Okay, next is I'm going to set up event ID. Server container setup. Okay, event. Yeah. Okay, next is server container setup for its mistake. Event duplication. You know, event duplication is that if you set up your browser site and server site in same website, so must you have to know about event duplication. So if I buy one single product, the browser site will show you someone is buying your product, and the also server site will show you someone is buying your product. So you got two purchase, but you in real life you have only single purchase. So if I set up event duplication, your problem will be solved. Okay, so this is event duplication. Event ID. Event ID. Okay. Okay. I totally forget one thing. That is, I have to do something. Or go to server container. This one is browser container. So go to server container and create one thing. First of all, check up the all worked or not. Okay, you have to go server container and create and place the tag and new community template and search conversion API tag and add. So this is server and go to tag and press new, tag configuration, and go to template gallery, community template gallery, and search conversion API tag, not TikTok, conversion API tag, Facebook. Okay, choose this one and press add to workspace and press add. Look, you need pixel ID. I already have pixel ID. Pixel, where is my pixel ID? So just thought I don't have pixel ID, so I'm going to find my pixel ID. If you go event manager and problem, so I find my where is my event ID, and I'm already created. So where is this? Oh, sorry guys, I forget that it's server container, not a browser container, so that's why it's not show it in here. So go to datasets, and you can see in settings in here. Okay, when you come here, press the settings. Look, dataset ID, this is pixel ID. When you press this one, ID will copy it, and go to again Google Tag Manager and paste pixel ID. This is pixel ID, so I need API access token. So API, if you find API access token, if you go scroll, API access token, yeah, this is this one is not. Where is it? Yeah, generate access token, I don't have, so press the generate access token and generate token. So this is a code, copy this code and paste in here, and test event code. I need test event code, and come back again. You have to go test event and select website, and you can see, I think, yeah, this is copy and test event code, paste. This is test event code, and search website, select the website. If you set up your phone call tag, you will select this one and other. So I'm going it's my website, so I'm choose the website. And final is triggering, and add pixel ID, pixel setting configuration ID, token. Test event code from pixel text event. Okay, I'm already. So the next is enable extend meta pixel cookie, FBP and FBC. trigger plus is FBP and ABC. I need FBP and ABC. Enable external metapixel cookie. So choose external metapixel cookie FBP ABC. So this you will tick mark and next. Where am I? Yeah, here. When you select the FBP and next is enable event enhancement, and this one is event enhancement. Okay, you tick these two option and next. Okay, next is trigger. You have to go trigger new plus custom some event. It's sometimes it's difficult, so don't worry, I'm gonna clear this all thing. I'm trying to. Okay, it's so difficult. Be careful, don't mistake anything. We have to go create trigger. Okay, this is trigger. And search the plus option and trigger configuration and choose custom event, custom code. Which one? So we need custom. See, they said that you have to go custom and some event. Custom and some event. Okay, not custom event. You choose custom and some event. Choose the some event. And event name থেকে match regex. And this one is event name and choose the math regex. Choose event name and math regex. You can see, look, inbuilt filter specific, because if I say anything they will gone. Okay, so you have to write down what. Okay, where is we need when your page view item, add to cart, begin checkout, purchase, when it appear, the server side will be fired. Okay, I'm copied this and paste here. Okay, all is okay. And save this name into FB KPI event. FB KPI event and press the save. And save. So I choose this name. And press save. Okay, our work is done. So next is event deduplication. So if you have server side and browser side, browser side and server side, if you track on the same, so this thing is help you. So you must have to go browser side container. Yeah, This is my browser site. Choose the browser site. So yeah, I'm here. So you must have to set up your event ID. You can see that our server side, when I'm set up our server side event, we set up event ID. This event ID, purchase event ID, this is begin event ID, and add to cart event ID. Event ID will help you to ensure that its purchase is one. So event ID and browser site event ID and server site event ID, when they look that it's same, so that's the time the event will not fire. They will show you only one purchase and one begin checkout. They are not show you browser site 1, server site 1, you got 2. So event ID will help you. So I'm going to FB page view. Yeah, FB page view event. Press the edit page view custom event order data. Yeah, this is event ID. You must choose your event ID. I'm going to choose the event ID. This is my event and save. And next is view content. View content event. Every view content means browser side view content. Choose this one and go to server side tracking in event ID. Event ID and save. And next is add to cart. Yeah, this is add to cart. Server side tracking and paste your event ID. Event ID and save. Yeah, add to cart container event we could create. And next is begin checkout. Yeah, this one is event and save. And last one is purchase. Okay, this is last. Okay, our work is complete. So the whole thing are complete. So this is the process how to set up your server site. So I'm gonna preview this site, my server site worked or not. So I'm going to show you. Okay. Okay, press the tag and press the preview. Our all content, our all server content worked or not. I will check it. So press the preview. Okay, it's easy, but if you do multiple times, so it will be so easy for you. It's not complicated. So paste your website link and press connect. Okay, this is my website, and I'm set up my browser site and server site for this website. So if I go tag assistant, they show the same problem. Calls not connect to wise.com because it's running, so I'm waiting. So if you have same problem, wait, because they are already running in this pop-up. Okay, look, they said that tag assistant connected, so that means our tag are connected. So press continue. Show. This is my all tag. Look, I'm create my server. Yeah, this is server FB view content, server SSB GA4 view content, FB add to cart, begin checkout and purchase. I'm created this whole thing. This tag tag are not fired because if you do purchase, the tag will be fired. So I'm gonna purchase the one product. If I purchase this upload chain watch, press this one. Yeah, you can see page product. Okay, view content will be fired. Look, page view event and page view server side. This is browser side and this is server side page view content. So if I do add to cart, select black and add to cart, you will see the add to cart pop-up will be short. Look, tag fired. This is browser side add to cart and this is server side add to cart. This is server side add to cart fired. So that means our server side are worked. So if I do process to checkout, that means begin checkout. Yeah, our begin checkout. Okay, it takes some time. Look, begin checkout are fired. Server side begin checkout fired. And where is browser side begin checkout? Yeah, this is our browser side begin checkout. So they are worked. So if I do any purchase, I think this purchase will be fired. Don't worry. If I this thing, continue to shipping. Yeah, I make purchase, make another purchase. Look, my purchase are fired. This is my server-side purchase. They are fired. I told you that if you have bad internet, so that will show you it's not fired, but back in the back end it's already fired. You didn't see because you have bad internet. So this is the process, and this is the way how to set up your server-side setup, server-side container. So if you need any help, anything, you can ask me, and if you need any support, you can message me without hesitation. So this is the video. So if you think this video will help you, so definitely like this video. Okay, so see you guys in another video. Have a great day. Bye bye.